Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I do beauty, lifestyle, health, and fitness content. If you could, please comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. So today we're going to show you how I do my silk press. And if you like it, please continue to watch the video. Alright, so it's time to wash my hair. Don't worry you guys, all products and tools will be listed below.
This was another fossil production.
I got this towel, this hair towel from TJ Maxx, and also these eye patches, which will be coming off soon because they kept sliding down, you guys. So I'm just filling my hair to see what it feels like. Is it moisturized? Everything that I did in it. So I like to put a lot of lightweight products in my hair when I am doing a silk press. So no heavy things like grease or anything with a lot of oils. So that's my method to my madness. And like I said, all products will be listed below. I love this product line. Every time I see it, I have to get it. So they used to sell it in Ulta, but I usually catch it now in like Marshalls or also TJ Maxx. If you guys see this product line anywhere else, please let me know because I love it. I have the shampoo, I have the conditioner, I have the deep conditioner. I have been using this product line for years. Definitely the deep conditioner. So yeah, I'm obsessed. So right now I'm just detangling my hair. I'm going to do that on each side. And yeah, we're going to get it done and then we're going to blow dry the hair. So when I blow dry the hair, you will see that I do focus on the root and then I just gradually go down the shaft of my hair.
Fossil
So guys, I completely forgot to mention that I do have alopecia. So you'll see this little spot in the middle of my hair is like pretty big last year, but it's slowly growing in. So when your hair grows in, it kind of grows like baby hair. So it's hair there, it's just very thin. So I try to be very light-handed when I am going over that area, but it is coming in. So I'm supposed to put that topical treatment that my dermatologist provided me with at least twice a day. Do I do it? No. But I try to remember. So the hair is coming in slowly, and then he also prescribed me some medication that I also supposed to take twice a day. I'm not good at taking pills, but yeah, that's that. But yeah, so I try not to put like any tension in that area. So I'm just combing my hair forward. This just lets me get more to the root, and then also it creates more volume for me. I'm not a beautician or anything like that, but I just noticed like if I like comb my hair forward, if I did all of my hair forward, I would have like a whole bunch of volume. I noticed, and because you saw that I did put a lot of product on my hair, but like I said, it's not heavy on my hair at all. My hair is still like bouncy and flowy. So yeah, see all that volume? And so some of you all may not know, but I've had long hair for all of my life. So yeah, I've learned to take care of it. So here I am using the Baby Bliss, I believe it's called, Pro flat iron. So if I do go to a Dominican salon, this is the flat iron they are using. So sometimes I go to the salon like maybe once or twice out of the year because I'm just being lazy. But most of the time I am doing my own hair. And when I say most of the time, like 99% of the time, I only go to the salon really to get my hair cut. And like I said, if I need a trim or I want like layers cut and I want to be like super straight, because you will see that I did cut my hair in this video, then I'll go to my beautician and she will cut it for me. I will come just straight like this, like it will come, you know, like straight hair, and then she's able to cut it and she just charged me to cut it. And then sometimes I'll even be like, girl, just go ahead and throw some curls in here because I don't feel like it. Like sometimes I get like real busy. And so I'll let her do that as well. But as far as maintenance, I don't go to the salon every week or once a month or anything like that. More likely like 6 months I go to the salon. Because on top of it, I'm like really cheap. And like for giggles, we're going to do like a thing like how much everything would cost, like how much I would have paid. And I'm just like shocked because I just took the average price of what I have been charged in the past. Now prices could have went up since then, so yeah, let's have a little fun with this. So yeah, again, I am cutting these sections in the back just too thick. So I'm like splitting them into two. So when you flat iron, you want to get, you know, a thin section and then flat iron your hair. I like to focus on the root first, and then I like to pull it down. And you will see that once I get in the front. See here, I'm just going over it twice. So yep, now we're coming to the front. So here you'll see me go over the root a few times, and then I like to pull it down to the ends. So yeah. So we focus on the root first, and then we pull it down. Now I have this little problem area. I've never seen anyone else with this hairline. If you have a hairline like mine, let me know. It's weird that I have these two like side areas. I get this hairline from my dad. So yeah, so we're gonna go over the root a few times, and then we're just gonna pull it straight down. And on to the next. I'll focus more on the front when I do this because I can see better. And mine's so precious, guys. They do last a long time. I do try to wash my hair like every week at least. I used to wash my hair like every 3 days, and honestly my hair was pretty healthy when I did so. But I'll just be so busy, you guys. I try to do at least a week, and sometimes it'd be like a week and a half. The longest I ever done was probably 2 weeks. And I've never had a perm. I take that back. I did have a perm. I begged my mother for a perm back when I was in elementary. She put just for me perm in there, and she kept it on there for a hot second. When I said literally a hot second, she slapped it in there and she ran me to the kitchen sink. She just did it just so I could just shut up. So yep, if you want to, you can just stop right here. But we're just gonna add some curls in here. We're gonna cut it, and you'll see me go through that process. Very shiny. You can wrap it and go on about your day. So I just wanted to do some trim. So when you're doing a trim on your hair, you don't want to take any regular scissors. You want to take some hair cutting scissors, and you only want to use these scissors for hair. So these scissors, I want to say they were like $25, $30. I believe I got them from Ulta, and so they're only hair cutting scissors. And here I am just trying to frame my face. Again, like when I do go to the salon, these are things they do. So I just watch their technique and then I just apply it to myself. If I mess up, hair grows back, you guys. It's okay. Alright, so we are going to add some curls in very quickly. So I'm going to explain to you here, I have some flyaways here at the top because the hair is growing in. You can definitely see it on my first YouTube video. So I just took some hairspray and then pressed it down, and then that took care of my flyaways. So yeah. So if it was during the day and you did this, then you could just walk out and go about your business. So it's nighttime for me, so I'm going to pin curl this real quick and go to sleep. Alright, so it's the next morning. I'm actually headed to the gym. You'll see me like talking to my little one in the back. So I just wanted to show you guys after the pin curls what they look like. But it is going straight back in ponytail. And when I do the ponytail, I just try not to wrap it too tight. And then you'll see me, I don't know how you say, but you'll see me like the technique I used to like try to keep the curls in. But I did end up curling it again. So yeah, and then I just pin it. So yeah, just twist it around. And then you want to put a hair tie around the edges because you're going to sweat, and so that's going to help absorb any sweat. And then don't remove it until it's dry, and then you'll be fine. Okay, so I'm here taking down the ponytail from the gym. I've already taken a shower and everything. So you're going to see a print. If it wasn't for this video, honestly, I would just rock that print and go about my business. But we are going to add some curls in here. Another method I like to use is to pull all of my hair up to the top and put 3 or 4 flexi rods in there. And then I wake up with so much volume. And if you want me to, I could do a video on that. Another tip I've noticed when my hair is a little dirty, and when I say a little dirty, I mean like 3 days old, and the curls just hold much better. I don't have to recurl my hair or anything. Okay, for giggles. So silk press would have been $90, protein treatment $35, deep conditioning $15, curls $35, trim $15. So overall, I saved myself $190. I think I did good. So you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Comment, like, and subscribe. This is my first voiceover video. Let me know how I did and if you like this style of video from me. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time.